In this video, I'll drive you through the process of exchanging money on the Revolut app. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content. Plus, you can sign up for a free Revolut account by using the affiliate link in the description. Exchanging money on Revolut offers competitive exchange rates with low fees. It also allows for easy, instant transfers across multiple currencies globally. Once you open the app, you'll land on the homepage. Here, locate the three-dot option labeled More. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with different choices. From that menu, select Exchange. This will take you to the Exchange window, where you can start swapping cryptocurrencies. In the Exchange window, you'll see two main sections. The first lets you choose the currency you want to exchange, and the second lets you pick the currency you want in return. You can easily switch between options like the US dollar, euro, pound, or other currencies. Just tap on the drop-down menus in both sections and pick the coins you're interested in. Once you've chosen your coins, hit the Review Order button. This will take you to a page where you can check all the details of your transaction. If everything looks good, just tap Confirm Order to complete the exchange. Once you confirm, your transaction will be processed and the exchange will be finished. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, be sure to sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.